In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop a horizontal video using Descript. If you're looking to make your video fit perfectly within a specific aspect ratio or just focus on a particular section, cropping is an essential skill to have. With Descript, you'll find that cropping is intuitive and straightforward, so let's dive into the process together. First, let's start by heading over to Descript. Open your web browser and navigate to the Descript website. If you're not already logged in, use your credentials to sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. This is your workspace where all the magic happens. Next, you'll want to select the project you wish to edit. If you already have a project that contains the video clip you want to crop, you can go ahead and click on it. Otherwise, if you're working on something new, you can create a new project. To do this, simply click on the option to start a new project and upload the video file you need to work on. This step sets you up with the right workspace to begin editing. Once your project is open, locate the video clip you want to crop. Click on the clip to bring up the editing toolbar. You'll see various options here, but our focus is on the crop icon. Click on it and you'll notice that a toolbar appears allowing you to adjust the crop settings. Here you can input the amount of zoom or crop you'd like to apply. Feel free to experiment a bit if you're unsure about the exact dimensions. Descript makes it easy to tweak as you go. With your crop settings ready, you'll want to adjust the framing of your video. Click and hold onto your clip, dragging it around until you've positioned it just right. This step is crucial because it allows you to frame your subject or focal point exactly as you want. Keep an eye on the preview panel to ensure everything looks good before finalizing your changes. And there you have it, you've successfully cropped your horizontal video into Descript. Whether you're cutting out unwanted sections, focusing on a subject, or simply resizing your video for a different platform, this technique is highly versatile and easy to master. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore all the possibilities that Descript offers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped enhance your editing skills in Descript. See you in the next video.